So this video we're going to show you how to charge the backhead in the ABEX breaker. Every backhead follows the same process, the only difference is the pressure, backhead pressure, which can be confusing. So in the manual on page 9 is a table chart which clearly shows the backhead pressure to set to charge to for each breaker. The larger breakers, the XB70 up, have an accumulator and they have a lot higher pressure. We'll touch on that. This model is an XB20. We need to charge the backhead pressure to 12 bar. We have removed the blue cover. We have taken the gas charge kit out of the toolbox, connected the hose to the bottle, and this is where we charge the backhead here. We've pre-loosened this cap. You can use an Allen key in the toolbox. I prefer to use a 17mm socket with extension, saves the knuckles. And that is where we will screw in this little gadget here, the gauge. A couple of tips on this gauge. This is our plunger. Need to make sure this first ring here is tight. This one here. If that's loose, the gas will come out. So you do that up nice and tight. And this is for screwing in that end there. We take this off. That's where we connect the gas hose. And the book says 12 bar and our gauge is in kg CMC square, just to trick us, but that is the same as bar. All backheads on the breakers we're looking for in this red area at the bottom of the gauge. The top side up here is only for breakers with an accumulator. So for backhead we're always going to be in this red gauge, and we charge to about 10% over what it says in the manual, because when we exhaust this gauge, when we pull it off, it loses a little bit of pressure, and this is the exhaust here to get it on and off. So we also want to make sure that's tight before we hook it up. So we'll connect the hose and we'll screw it in.